human ancestors and relatives lived tens of thousands to millions of years ago, and we still have much to learn about their existence and abilities. The year 2021 has been a year of progress in the field of human evolution research. Researchers investigated all kinds of clues, including ancient skulls that shed light on the evolution of Homo brains, bones from previously unknown Homo species, ancient art, and even fossilized footprints that revealed a number of surprising news. In this video, we are going to describe the most important finds of the year 2021. Number 1. Dragon Man. The fossil dubbed Dragon Man, or as some might know it as Homo longi, was found years ago but only came to the attention of scientists more recently. The mosaic combination of primitive and more modern features of this skull sets itself apart from all the other species of human and believed that it was powerfully built and rugged. If you want to know more on this find, do check out our video we made entirely on Dragon Man. Number 2. Early humans had ape-like brains. For decades, scientists had thought modern human-like organization of brain structures evolved soon after the human lineage Homo arose roughly 2.8 million years ago. But an analysis conducted on April 2021 of fossilized human skulls that retain imprints of the brains they once held now suggests such brain development occurred much later. Even after ancient humans took their first steps out of Africa, they may have possessed brains more like those of great apes than modern humans. Number 3. Ancient Child of Darkness skull discovered in a cave. An international team of researchers led by Professor Lee Berger from the University of Witwatersrand, Johannesburg, South Africa in 2021 revealed the first partial skull of a Homo naledi child that was found in the remote depths of the Rising Star Cave in Johannesburg, South Africa. They called the skull Leti, short for Leti Mela or Lost One in the Setswana language of South Africa. Number 4. The first Europeans had recent Neanderthal relatives. We know that our ancestors interacted with other species of humans at the time, including Neanderthals, based on genetic evidence of Neanderthal DNA in modern humans alive today, an average of 1.9% in Europeans. In April 2021, scientists from the Max Planck Institute for the Science of Human History described a 45,000 years old human skull from Shezia and 3 skulls found in Bako Cairo Cave, Bulgaria, dating between 46,000 to 42,000 years ago. They found that the skulls respectively contains roughly 3.2, 3.8, 3.4 and 3% Neanderthal DNA, more than the modern human's average. Number 5. Human burial reveals vanished lineage in Indonesia. You may think ancient human lineages always leave traces, but that is not always the case. A woman buried 7,200 years ago in what is now Indonesia belonged to a previously unknown human lineage that doesn't exist anymore. A new genetic analysis reveals this. The ancient woman's genome also revealed that she is a distant relative of present-day Aboriginal Australians and Melanesians. Number 6. Fossil child tells us about ancient human burial practices in Kenya. In November 2021, scientists from Spain, Germany, and other colleagues announced the oldest human burial in Africa, a 2.5 to 3-year-old child from the site of Panga Yasaidi in Kenya. The child, named Toto, which means child in Kiswahili, was deliberately buried in a tightly fixed position about 78,000 years ago, according to a luminescence dating. The way the child's head was positioned indicates possible burial with a perishable support like a pillow. There are older known burials of Homo sapiens, including those dating to about 120,000 years ago in Europe and the Middle East, but Toto's remains are the earliest deliberate human burial known in Africa, according to the study published in May in the journal Nature. Number 7. Ancient Art. In January, a team led by Adam Brum and Maxime Aubert from Griffith University reported the world's oldest representation of figurative art in a cave painting of a Sulawesi warty pig found in Liang Tedonge, Indonesia, that was dated to at least 45,500 years ago using uranium series dating. There are still ongoing debates on this topic though, because there are other artworks that appeared in other parts of the globe around the same time. Number 8. The ghost of modern humans past found in DNA in dirt from Denisova cave in Russia. In June 2021, a team led by Elena Zavala and Matthias Meyer from the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology in Germany, along with researchers from the University of Wollongong in Australia, analyzed DNA from 728 sediment samples from Denisova cave, the largest analysis ever of sediment DNA from a single excavation site. They found ancient DNA from Denisovans and Neanderthals, which was already anticipated, but what shocked them was that they found DNA of modern humans whose fossils have not been found there, but who were suspected to have lived there based on Upper Paleolithic jewelry typically made by ancient modern humans found in 45,000-year-old layers there. Number 9. Meet a direct human ancestor, Homo borowensis. If you follow the channel, you will know that we have made a video on this topic. A new species of extinct human that has been named Homo borowensis will describe the majority of Middle Pleistocene humans from Africa and Southeast Europe, while many from the latter continent will be reclassified as Neanderthals. The species hasn't been identified based on new fossils, but on re-examination of old ones. Number 10. Neisha Ramla Homo. Adding to the increasingly complex picture of late Pleistocene Homo are finds from the Neisha Ramla in Israel dating to 120,000 to 140,000 years old, described in June by Tel Aviv University's Israel Hershkovitz and colleagues. Like the Homo longi cranium, the parietal bone, mandible, and teeth recovered from Neisha Ramla exhibit a mix of primitive and derived features. Researchers said that although the morphology of the newly discovered humans shares features with both Neanderthals and archaic Homo, it displays a completely different skull structure, hence they are very unlikely to be modern humans. Number 11. Fossilized footprints found in Spain. In the southern coast of Spain about 100,000 years ago, a group of Neanderthals meandered along the sandy beach. Many millennia later, the footprints the group left in the sand were discovered by a group of paleontologists examining nearby fossilized animal tracks. Preserved as imprints, the 87 Neanderthal footprints found on the beach are now thought to be the oldest Neanderthal hominid tracks in Europe. They concluded that a total of 36 individuals, including 11 children and 25 adults, created the markings. Number 12. Oldest fossilized footprints found in the Americas. In September 2021, the recently uncovered and dated footprints in White Sands National Park, New Mexico were described. These footprints place modern humans in the area between 23,000 to 21,000 years ago. These footprints aren't the oldest evidence of humans in the Americas, but they are the first definitive proof that people lived here at the height of the last glacial maximum, according to the September study published in the journal Science. That is all that we have, guys. If we have missed any other important discovery, do let us know and we will make sure to cover that in the upcoming videos. If you also want us to elaborate on any one of the points mentioned, do let us know and we will do that for you. Thanks for watching, and please remember to support us by liking our videos and subscribing to the channel. Till then, this is Halabella and see you soon in our next video.